Jackson just went for a quick little dip to cool off, partway through to Roccella Ionica.
And there's this big buff guy, his budgie smuggler's up there. Putting me to shame. I just can't believe that bloke sitting there with his
Jackson chasing a lizard.
Leave it, buddy.
Ryan got some advice from some of the people at the marina to go through a tunnel and found this tunnel, so we thought this must be it. But it's starting to feel a bit rapey. This is the tunnel Ryan thinks they're talking about. And we're looking at it going, hell no. This looks like something out of the movie It.
Maybe he said don't go through the tunnel. I can't remember now.
It looks like the clown's just gonna come flying over there. Abort mission! That's definitely not the tunnel he was referring to. Nobody would go through that tunnel. So it's about 2 o'clock, which is perfect siesta time. And this place is literally a ghost town. Every door is locked, every shop is shut. It's crazy, they take it serious around here. Even the fish are taking a siesta.
Brittany, she's gone to the fruit and veg store, and whenever she leaves, this is Jackson on high alert. She'll sit like that now for about 15 minutes until she gets back. Chuck goes, he ducks his head, sun looks past, looks around him.
The guy started talking to me and I have no idea what he was saying. I don't know, he was drinking like a homebrew bottle of wine on the picnic bench.
Hold on, the guy who owns the store is on a picnic bench drinking wine. Got angry.
There's a guy on the picnic bench over there and he started saying something to me and I said, oh sorry, English, and he just kept going. But he sounded like not mean, but not polite. Anyways, fruit and vegetable shop has really nice produce, so I think we should go back there. Ryan started running style.
Oh, I gotta try and make myself not look like Ed Sheeran.
Oh, you do look like Ed Sheeran right now. Your hair's orange.
Really?
Under the light.
Oh, maybe it was that then. Because when I checked in, the guy said to me, he goes, oh, you like that famous singer? I'm like, oh yeah, who? He's like, Ed Sheeran. And I was like, oh, I think I say Brad Pitt or something.
Okay.
I look like Brad Pitt yet.
Alright, let's go. Alright, what kind of ice cream do you want? Chocolate?
Chocolate. And I want a huge one.
He's about to eat a croissant.
Leave the croissant.
It's air conditioned in here.
I'm hungry.
Wow.
Oh my god.
Chow. This?
Wow.
Oh, no. So this is a brioche with gelato inside.
Why?
This is apparently what they do here. I said ice cream, he said yes, and then this is what he gave me.
Were they laughing at me?
Yeah. Were you creeping in the window?
Yeah, I went into the window. So yeah, it's a reflective window. And I looked in there, and as I looked in there, I hit my head on the... It's funny they're laughing at me though. I thought they might be, because I literally poked my head in, and as I went in for the kill to have a look, I went bam and smashed my head. Are you sure that maybe they weren't laughing at me, maybe they were laughing at you? They're probably like, why the hell did she want an ice cream and a bun?
No, I didn't ask for it, he said.
Yeah, there's a language barrier. He's probably just like, you want an ice cream and a bun?
Ice cream in bun, you have big or small?
I'm gonna Google.
No, and then when we were in Sicily, somebody told me about this as well.
I still think you're wrong.
Google it. You look like such a tourist.
You made the strap so small.
You look like you just really don't know what you're doing with your life.
But you dropped my own ice cream on me. You made the strap small. You're making me hold the dog and getting angry at my ice cream melted.
And we're eating ice cream out of a bun. What is happening?
Without you, I remember myself, my name. Forgot about all you tried to change.
Poor Jackson. You see the little one on the wall?
Yeah.
That's insane.
Poor little guy, he wasn't jumping off.
Familiar was the sound of your voice.
Brian's history lessons again. Back in the day, this contraption here is an ancient Greek beer distillery.
Why is everything Greek?
I don't know.
It has been a year and now I'm living.
Yeah.
Radio Roccella, radio in 1976. We get strapped for cash, get a working holiday visa and get a job there. Back in radio.
That I'm better off right here without you.
We had to pay €6 to get in, and we don't have €6, so
We don't have cash.
yeah.
I don't think you have to pay to get in the tower.
I reckon it's to pour like hot oil down there back in the day. You know what, Brittany? Back in the day.
That was the mailbox.
Was it?
You. God, it's really creepy. Jackson, it goes far back.
I just walked through like a spider web or something.
Oh my God, it's eerie. Stop. Okay. Guarda il tuo futuro.
Or underneath the tower. So it said in like the Second World War on the sign that these were built to stop something from invading from sea.
So creepy.
Jackson, where do you think you're going, buddy?
He's tired.
So you can see the marina from here.
Yeah.
So that's the marina. Shoot. Almost lost my stomach.
Oh,
That would have been good.
would have become an artifact of the castles. We've been putting some serious miles on our legs, and I'm not exactly dressed for it. Not many dogs get water breaks next to castles.
Oh, he's a lucky dog.
Getting ready to walk past all the dogs again. Oh my God! Poor Jackson's just trying to live his life, bullied by a gang of dogs. This is amazing. Really, it's so hard to get water, and they've got water stations here, and you can get normal or sparkling.
That might do it, Brittany. It says like 5 cents a litre. They're cold. Before, Brittany,
It was a ghost town.
in siesta time, it was like dead. Now, there's cars everywhere, there's people everywhere, people having it at the cafes. So, thanks to Apple, because we've broken our USB card reader thing. Because of Apple, we've got a card reader that plugs into USB. So we've got a USB that goes to this, what is it, micro USB, and then we've got micro USB to Type C. So hopefully this works. Thanks, guys. Ow. Paul's trying to start stuff with me. You know what though, they were so helpful, and they love Jackson. Oh, slowly making my way back to the marina. I am ruined.
My knees. I feel like I'm a 90-year-old woman.
Stop complaining.
It's tough, isn't it, Jackson? Jackson's stuck under a cushion.
I know, hopefully this lasts now because I'm so sick of getting wet.
Oh jeez, what the hell have you done to this thing? Oh,
It doesn't have to be pretty, it's just got to work.
will it work?
I got no idea. Well, I ran out of PVC glue, so I just put like minimal glue on. Found this marine adhesive sealant. It's basically Sikaflex. I mean, this stuff fixes everything. It's like duct tape, but silicone.
You better be right.
So I put PVC glue on. I meant to give it 2 coats, but I had enough for 1. So I've done 1 coat, and then I've just like lathered this all over the edges. I don't actually think it's gonna work, but I mean, we've got absolutely no choice. Yeah.
Oh, what was that, Jackson?
fish. I'm not gonna lie, it's not, you know.
Are you ashamed of yourself?
Yeah.
Oh, Jackson's got silicone on his
Oh,
face.
Jackson. So James Shepard's blocked the toilet.
Ryan, you're just...
So Andrew Till blocked the toilet. So Brittany blocked the toilet.
Ryan! Stop!
Okay, we're releasing the first pipe. Oh, we're safe. We're releasing the second pipe.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh,
I can see water in it.
we're safe. This is the one that scares me. The pipe is loose. Oh, there's stuff coming out. Oh. Oh. Oh.
What is that?
It's bits of poo.
No, it's not. That's just water.
That's because I flushed it like a million times.
What is that?
You know what? We're doing alright, eh? I think like rinsing it a million times is a good idea. I rinsed it so much with like cleaning stuff and like vinegar and put that toilet cleaner stuff through it a few times, so. Uh-oh, this one doesn't look pretty. No. You know what? We did really well. Apparently, it's that easy. Alright. Oh no! At least we didn't get poo water all over us. Look at that. Works. So, out with the old, in with the new. Jackson, can I eat my dinner? Jackson, come on, buddy. Get off. Off. Come on. Thank you. No, come on, mate. I just fed you.
So I've been a bit mortified watching myself eat in videos because I seem to eat with my mouth open, and now I've been like thinking about it, and now I realize why. It's because I breathe out of my mouth while I'm chewing because my nose is always plugged, so I've been consciously making an effort to breathe out of my nose while
And you can't.
And I can't. It's hard work.
Jackson.
He's staring at me so hard right now.
I know. I literally just fed him so much food as well.
You just can't help yourself, can you?
He needs to eat too.